tired of knee pain holding you back from your daily activities?
We're going to show you 4 strengthening exercises for your knee that are going to help you out while you're in bed. It's a good deal, I'm thinking.
It is.
You could take a nap afterwards.
Sure. These exercises are going to help decrease your knee pain by strengthening the muscles around the knee joint, helping provide better support and stability.
That's right. They're going to specifically go towards the quadriceps, the glutes, the external rotators on the hip. And this is going to help the hip alignment with the knee. It all works together, leading to less pain. Less pain and discomfort. Get that out of the way.
Did that hurt?
No, absolutely not.
So the first exercise is called terminal knee extension. You're going to be sitting in a long sitting position, put a pillow under your knee, and you're going to push your knee down into the mat. You're going to hold it for 6 seconds. Was that 6 seconds?
No, we'll go
Close enough, and then you're going to relax.
All right, 1001, 1002, and go ahead. 10 reps of that, and you'll feel those quadriceps working very nicely.
The second exercise is going to be a bridge, but first we want to do a butt squeeze. So you can put your hand on your butt to make sure it's activating, and then you're going to lift up into a bridge, and you're going to go down. You can hold this for a few seconds up top before coming back down. Make sure each set you're squeezing your butt first and then lifting up.
Right, so that glute maximus muscle is that external rotator that we mentioned earlier, which helps align the hips and takes stress off the knees. It's a wonderful way to complement the knee strength.
And if this is easy, you can certainly do one leg. So squeeze the butt and then lift up with one leg, just like this.
Not everyone's going to be able to do this. This is for the advanced personnel.
Do what works for you.
That's right.
The next exercise is going to strengthen your hip external rotators, and it is called clamshells. So you're going to have both knees together, you're going to rotate out, keep your feet touching, and go back down.
This is one of those exercises that looks like it's a real easy peasy exercise, but actually you will feel those external rotators working after about 5 or 10 repetitions. Do them slow like Mike is doing them, and it's a real critical exercise.
And make sure you keep your trunk in line. You don't want to be too far forward or back or be rolling like this. That's not the exercise.
Good point, Mike. Are you getting tired?
Yes.
I'm not.
And the last exercise is hip abduction, abduction. So you're going to kick your leg straight up towards the ceiling like this, bring it as high as you can tolerate, and then back down. I have this knee bent. I am keeping my trunk in a straight line. Pretend like you're positioned up against the wall and you can't go back any further. And Brad, you want to talk about my feet here?
Right. So this is really important that your toes point like Mike has them. The tendency is that your toes will want to go up this way, and that compensates and uses the wrong muscles. Get it like this, and you'll feel it's harder to do, and it really stabilizes that hip, therefore helping the knee. How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing okay. You want to make sure your leg is in straight line with your trunk. A lot of people tend to go forward on this like this. Their hips might be a little tight. Try to get a nice straight line.
There you go. How many reps, Mike?
We should do 30 reps total on each side. You could do 3 sets of 10, however long it takes you to get there. Right. Make sure to flip over and do the other side.
Does anybody ever call you Michael?
Yeah, my mother.
That's what I was going to wonder about. Just a side note. Let's go on. All right. How's your knee feeling, Mike?
Perfect.
It's getting better. Actually, there's 4 exercises. Work on each of them. Do the one that feels the best. You may not have to do all of them. As a matter of fact, what we'd like you to do is comment below on the exercise that really seems to fit your needs the best, or maybe 2 of them. What say you, Mike?
Or if there's something else we forgot, you can mention it because we do go through them.
Right, I've never forgotten anything in my life.
We have a whole team going through them, actually. There's too many.
All right, be careful.
And be gone.
Helpful.
Helpful and gone.
Take care.